What if I told you the entire digital world depends on one tiny island? If Taiwan stopped producing chips tomorrow, the modern world could slow to a halt. This is Taiwan, the hidden engine behind the global economy. Taiwan manufactures over 90% of the world's most advanced semiconductors. The tiny chips powering everything from iPhones and AI systems to fighter jets and global banking networks. These chips are the new oil of the 21st century. Without semiconductors, there's no AI, no smartphones, no modern weapons, no cloud computing, and possibly no global economy. And here's the terrifying part. Experts warn that a disruption in Taiwan could wipe nearly $20 trillion from the global economy. That's larger than the GDP of most nations combined. This is why the world's superpowers are racing for control. The battle for Taiwan isn't just political. It's a fight for the future of technology itself. So what happens if the world's most important island suddenly goes dark? Is Taiwan protecting the world, or holding it together by a single microchip? Comment if you think Taiwan is the real global superpower.